to activity pronouncing, and my name is Juan Mendes. Um, what are the most unknown food you have tried and tried? Okay. One of the strangest food I have tried was in Cartagena, the India. It was a crab with surface and it have um, apicariums and some strong head tanks. Delicious. Um, what was the most expensive place you visit and you visited? A restaurant in the center uh, of the city called Palacio del Marino. Beautiful. Um, what a place of food costs 65,000 per person, and with the drink it costs 75,000. Something cheap. Okay. Um, what was the cheapest place you visit and you city? Playa Blanca. Okay. One of the cheapest places was a tour and beach called Playa Blanca for the value of 70,000 pesos per person. Excuse me. They picking you up a place in a um excuse me the morning they have you lunch and they better to you house for Hindes Astrum. Okay, beautiful, beautiful Playa Blanca. And what in the beast have happens to you and that treat means you too. Okay. Um, Juan, Nostrum please. I like kiss, seed fish, and try food that do night no. Okay, okay. In the rows of the 3 to 10 Stein and new and they mirable of it sounds out a string sport. Beautiful, beautiful. And I have ever met a new friend on the trip. I didn't happen. Yes, yes, yes. A new news way is usually called about with my gay will meet some Mexican and some Uruguayans strong tours and high time he with became friends the Dawi EU disco much, uh, much disco um, and have a wait train tab night. Okay, thank you so much. Goodbye.